Hi, in this video, I will show you a comparison of Vanguard versus Fidelity and which one of them is better in terms of investing. So for the featured, Vanguard has $0 commission on stock or ETFs. Fidelity also have none. For the contract fee, they have $1 on Vanguard and 3.65 for Fidelity. So for the number of no-fee mutual funds, we have around $3,000 and Fidelity have around 3,500. So for the account minimum, there are actually no minimum in order to maintain your Vanguard account. However, some services they have required. Fidelity also have none required for the minimum. So for the fractional shares, Vanguard has limited fractional shares, but Fidelity actually supports fractional shares. For the customer service rating, Vanguard has low rating for customer service, while Fidelity has higher, which means that they actually talk to their customers and hear out their complaints. So all in all, if you want a low cost trading platform, you can offer Vanguard. If you want to go high metal and then go and get some high returns, you can go with Fidelity because they have a lot more advantages than this one. So I hope this video helped you out.